Could this be the cleanest city in the entire world? I'm Kojo Enoch, a digital nomad from Ghana, and I've made my temporary home here in the dazzling city of Dubai. Having traveled to many major cities around the globe, I've seen the best and the not so great. Today, I want to share a unique journey I embarked on right here in Dubai to test the claim that it is one of the cleanest cities in the world. Dubai is known for its breathtaking architecture and luxurious lifestyle, but what about its cleanliness? I decided to put it to the test. Without any specific plan, I randomly chose areas across the city to explore. From the gleaming towers of downtown Dubai to the charming waterfront district of Dubai Marina, I kept my eyes peeled for any sign of dirt or rubbish on the streets and roads. As the day progressed, my surprise grew. Despite deliberately looking for litter, I found not a single piece of rubbish on the streets. It was beyond what I had imagined. Dubai's cleanliness isn't just a facade for the touristy areas. It is consistent across every corner I visited. In all my travels, I've rarely seen a city as clean as Dubai. It speaks volumes about the city's management and the collective responsibility of its residents. The level of cleanliness here is exceptional, setting a high bar for cities worldwide. This journey has been an eye-opener. Dubai's cleanliness is not just about keeping the streets free of litter. It is a reflection of a culture that values and respects its environment. As a digital nomad, I've experienced many places, but Dubai's commitment to cleanliness truly stands out. I hope this journey through Dubai's clean streets has inspired you as much as it has inspired me. It is a testament to what cities can achieve with dedication and collective effort. From Dubai, this is Kojo Enoch reminding you that cleanliness starts with us, no matter where we are in the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from my travels. Until next time, keep on exploring and stay clean.